kingship of Umueze is being threatened by not having a male child as successor.
What do you do by time? 10 men would have to join me to get the golden axe.
This mission must be fulfilled.
Follow me.
Will the men of the town redeem their land from the curse?
They are here to take the golden axe.
Calamity strikes and the gods are silent.
You will give him that axe!
She has gone with the axe.
But the axe must get to Ume.
The gods now decide their reward will be the Igwe's daughter.
I want the princess. We have no choice but to fight!
Who are the gods of the golden axe?
You stole my axe. This is the real axe.
I should be the one to tell which axe is real.
Casville International Limited presents The Golden Axe. Produced by Chukwuka Emelianwu and directed by Andy Amanchi DGN. Golden Axe. Golden Axe. Ernest Obi, Chidi Mokeme, Benita Nzeribe, Gentle Jack, Sylvia Onwuneme, Fabian Adibe, Laz Ekweme, Emmanuel Franz, Tom Njemanze. Golden Axe. Marketed and distributed nationwide by Casville International Limited, 7 Ebimpeja Lady Dumoto Lagos, 51 Ear Carrot Oricha, and 1/3 pound road Aba. Golden Axe. Grab your copy fast.
I never see this kind of people for my life before. Ibu and in picking them more. When I came special, no. Oh yes. I saw it you. Like a father, like his son, Mr.
What type of goodness is this? How can both of you be riding on this bicycle with all these clothes at the same time? You want to spoil the bicycle? Hi! It's unfair! Oh.
How can you guide on the best of your father is working? You're such a wicked boy.
You are heartless. How can a full-grown man like you be riding on a bicycle and your son will be trekking?
Ibu, this is unfair. This is man inhumanity to son. What stops you from carrying your son so that both of you can ride together?
suffering yourself? Can't you and your son ride on this bicycle instead of punishing yourself? I mean, this is foolishness. You people are funny. You're funny.
Papa, why is it that whatever we do, people must complain?
Yeah, because whatever you do in this world, people must talk.
Papa, so what can we do so that people will not talk?
To die.
Die?
Yes.
But you die first, so that I'll bury you.
You said?
You die first, so that I will take over the bicycle.
Upon all these bad things you've been doing before. You see this bicycle? We're going to leave it here. It is the cause of all the problems we have been having since. Come on, carry your bed.
But let me press the last one before we leave it.
Go.
The last one.
Go.
What do you say your name is?
Names. John Udabwenyi Ibu.
How old are you?
Old? No, I don't know. Because my parents, they did not tell me before they died.
Are you single or married?
The two of them. I'm single and double.
How?
Before I was married, now I'm single. So I'm using the two of them. Double and single.
Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes. I can do it. I don't sleep on it. I can do it. Or tomorrow, if I can't do it, I'll tell you and I'll resign.
All right. You can go now. Come tomorrow and start work at night.
Huh?
Yes.
Manager. Thank you. What will I bring? I get touch.
No problem.
Okay. I get a cutlass.
I said don't worry. Just come to work tomorrow.
All right. But this house room, I have this.
Please, come tomorrow and start work. Don't worry. Oh yes. I saw it you. Like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu and them more. They are very funny, yo. Mr. Ibu and them picking, yo. Like a papa, like a picking, Ibu now why, you go laugh and not be small. Get one man, in name na Mr. Ibu. Him get one pikin, in name na more. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah, be very dutiful. Everywhere them go, they must surely show themselves. Anything them do, their own, they different, yo. I don't wonder, so they I come surrender. I never see this kind of people before. everybody wonders, so then come surrender. Ibu and Umu don't cause confusion. Mr. Ibu, Ibu na waya o. Ibu, like a papa, like a pikin. Mr. Ibu, Ibu na mo. Ibu, they don't cause confusion. Shari. No kind work when Mr. Ibu no go do, but when kata bust, Mr. Ibu go run away. More him picking another special case. He very stubborn, him mouth sharp like razor. If you send him something, another thing he go do. I never see this kind picking before. Every day by day, now so them go the water. Father and son, they do like cocaine and wapusu. These two people, them funny, you go laugh. Oh, Ibu, Mr. Ibu.
Who is selling this bomb?
Yeah, which one do you want to?
Come.
Which one do you want?
Give me one.
15 naira or 17 naira?
Give me one.
Okay. Take.
How many of you are selling the bread?
What is that supposed to mean?
I say, who am I going to pay for the bread? Is it you? You? Or the other person? Who? How many of you?
Come on, get out of this place, foolish man.
I should get out. You don't kill yourself with that.
Leave my shop now.
I will tell everybody you photocopy yourself. Meanwhile, you. How 3 or 4 of you come to sell one bread? I pay you. Get out. Hey. You're sleeping. You want me to sleep? But thank you.
Papa, when I grow up, I want to be a driver. When I grow up, I want to be a driver. driver. And I will be carrying you with my...
wheelbarrow.
No, car, moto.
Hey. When you grow up in spirit, or physical like this?
Physical like this now. Physical like this, Papa. When I grow up like you.
You are mad. Do you hear that? It's when you come back in the next world, not this. You finish. Or government drag you with dragging machine. Or government give you fertilizer. Or you drink manure. Give me a hammer. Give me hammer.
Papa, are you saying I won't grow again?
It depends. It depends on what you are growing to.
But Papa, I will grow.
Okay, give me hammer. I will go with the other yoke.
Papa, are you sure that people will play this try your luck?
Why not? They use some of the offering. Take it.
No, Papa, not like this. Let me teach you how to do it. Eh?
Are you mad? Sit down. Sit down.
Papa, sorry. Papa, sorry. Papa, sorry. Papa, sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you, Papa. No, Papa, sorry.
Ponder.
Sorry.
Yes. I know. I don't change. You want me to change? Whoa. Hey.
Brothers and sisters, as you can see, Jesus is here, John the Baptist is here, water is here also. So nothing stops the baptism. The bazaar commences. All right. Yeah. We're going to start the bag of rice. Yes, we can buy.
2,000 naira.
Oh, 2,000 naira.
2,005.
2,500 naira. Go in. 3,500 naira. 3,500 naira.
Okay, that'll be 5,000 naira.
5,000. Go in. Go. Okay. This is Sharp Television. Who can buy? 5,000 naira. 10,000 naira. 20,000 naira. 20,000 going. 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira going. 50,000 going. Go. 50 now. Come. Who's that? Come in. I say come in. Brother Ibu. Hey, long time no see.
You are welcome. Welcome. Hey, yes. How is everybody?
Yes.
What about the mom?
Yes.
And your business? And how about...
Can't you see I'm pressed? The question is too much.
I'm sorry. Okay, let me take you to the toilet. Come. You come to my place.
Drop it down.
No, come this way.
Toilet.
Yes, that's our toilet. This way.
First the house.
Come.
Yeah.
Hi, bloody Ibu. Hi, Ibu, my brother. This is the toilet. That's our toilet now. Go inside.
Go.
That's the toilet.
Okay, go.
Okay,
thank you.
Yeah. When you finish, you come back to the
yes.
Hey! Brother,
Mr. Ibu and him picking yo. Ibu. Like a father, like his son. Mr. Ibu and him Ibu. They are very funny yo. Mr. Ibu and him picking yo. Ibu. Like a papa, like a picking. Mr. Ibu na waya o. Ibu.
Hey, what? Please, I want to go to the toilet.
Toilet?
Yes.
Okay. There is... Go straight.
Okay.
You see one house by the... Right. Right.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Pass him. You continue going down. You get to a church. There is public toilet.
Hey,
there.
thank you.
But it's locked. You pass him. You continue go.
Man, what are you doing there?
Ross, I'm dropping.
Dropping. Don't you know that this is government land?
Government waiting here.
I mean, this is government land and you are asking questions.
Who are you?
Who are we?
Yes.
We are the task force men.
Task force. Yeah. So we are one now.
How do you mean? Officer,
No,
hold him.
No, wait.
Hold him.
See, excuse me, let me tell you something.
What?
Come and see our members here.
Big Dada, Tebihu Hada, Kubonsida, Boosted Non-Stopper, International, one chief rocker, like a Pipi Helmet, Jiggy, Biggy, Heavy, baby, do you want me? But trust me, not too many fly like me. You Big Daddy hollering me, I've a biggie, long time, she down, wishing you was a friend of mine. Yeah, God bless, not to let Jiggy more, and then got in this that what you're looking for. Biggy, heavy, baby, do you want me? Heavy.
Mom, you can sing well, though.
Okay.
I like your song.
No, you're not looking for me. No. What about the promise?
I promise I'll do it for you. When you're coming back, I'll do it true.
When I come back.
Okay, bye-bye now. Take care.
Okay. Vicky.
Sorry. No, you wait. You can't go again. No. Wait. I will help you. Wait. I will back you.
Okay. I can't stand.
Try now. Try. More. Try.
Okay.
I will back you. Oh, yeah, climb. Come now. Let me help you more. Try.
Let me climb.
Sorry.
My leg.
Sorry. This one.
Yes.
Sorry. More.
Leave me alone. Move faster. Move.
Good afternoon, sir.
More.
Baba.
Is it your son?
This is my son. What are you doing on the woman's back?
Oh, guys, one reckless Okada man that just hit him and ran away.
Where is it?
Go. Okay, let's go to the hospital first now. Wait.
Wait. Drop him.
Okay, let's go to the hospital now.
I said drop him. There, More, come down.
Oh, come down.
Papa, enemy of progress.
Enemy of
progress.
You are progress on the woman's back.
Ibu and him picky like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu and him they are very funny, Mr. Ibu and him picky like a papa, like a picky, Mr. Ibu now wire, you go laugh and no be small. He get you one man, in name na Mr. Ibu. Him get you one pikin, in name na more. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah, be very wonderful. Everywhere them go, they must.
So, I didn't know this. The food is not tasty. Okay. Human sugar, curry, and thyme.
That's nice. Hey.
Very sweet.
I tell you, it's wonderful. Come. What's this? You want to swallow this thing? I've told you don't cut big hair by Oagbu. You want to kill yourself. Come on, reduce it.
No, Papa, I can swallow it.
You are mad. Come on, remove it. Nonsense. Hey.
But it's not pray.
Pray, no problem. What do you use for the soup? Huh? This is a soup or puss?
How?
What kind of soup is this?
It is soup now. Huh? I took you with the curry, thyme, sugar, everything. Very sweet.
Sugar?
Ha! Papa.
Sugar?
Papa, it's very sweet, oh.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with it, eh? No, eat. Finish it.
Papa, you're not eating.
No, finish.
Hello.
Finish it.
You don't want to eat meat. But I'm tired.
Eh?
I'm tired.
It was more work. If you didn't finish this food, I kill you here.
Papa, it's better you give me because it's something as finishing this food. If you don't give me now, by the time I finish this food, I will still die.
Better for me because you have no use to me. Do you know the pains it takes me to provide the money for the ingredient of this soup that you've just wasted? Finish it here.
Papa.
What is it?
I vomit.
Sit down there. Vomit inside this one. Put it there. Papa. Sit down.
No, I want to drink.
Idiot. Come on, carry this in. Remove here.
Papa, let me go to the toilet.
Let me
go to the toilet. I better.
If you finish that thing, come back to come and finish this food though. You must finish it. Come on. You can see that this is a brand new workshop. Very soon, customers will begin to come with their cars for repairs. I expect you to behave yourself very well because I know you. I will not take any nonsense from you.
Papa, and I will make sure I will not take any nonsense from anybody.
Including me?
No, I mean anybody. Your name is Papa Mr. Buna. I mean anybody.
In whose workshop?
This workshop.
Which means I'm included?
No, I mean anybody. You're not anybody.
Just broom. You sweep from here to this side. Then shift to this side. Sweep even legs of all those legs, witches' legs, including your legs. You were here yesterday. Sweep everything off.
Papa, I will start from here. Stop here. You finish it.
You will sweep from there. Stop. Then I finish it. Why?
Because it's too big. You finish it. And by the way, Papa, how come you wrote only your name here? You're supposed to write your name and my name. Or Ibu and Sons.
Which sons? How many of you? How many sons do I have? Why sons?
To show that you and I is the owner of this workshop. Papa, if you don't like it like that, I will start my own shop here.
You are mad. Go somewhere and look for another land and buy. Don't come and torment me for my workshop. Don't. Because I will just eliminate you. I will kill you. Go and bring broom.
Papa, it's good like that.
More. Go and give me a screwdriver and 17 flat. Sharp. Idiot! Give me a screwdriver and 17 flat.
17 flat?
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong with the car?
Can you imagine? Come on, give me what I ask you to bring for me. Engineer. Come. What is this?
17 flat.
And what is this?
A screwdriver.
God, why now? Why do you give me this kind of thing? Yeah? Now come and give me the whole 2 bucks. Go and bring it, idiot! Go and bring the 2 bucks!
this thing. I'm not a Superman. Let me bring it one after the other.
Give my tools. Leave it there, it's done. Come here, come on, sir, come on, stand here. Stand here. Go and start it.
Asha is okay now.
Yes.
Let me start it.
Chief, come on there. Go that side. Thank you. Hey.
So how much I will pay you now?
Give us 500.
Ah, 5 too much now. I'll give you 200 naira now. At least make you become customers now.
Add on something. Add on something.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So I haven't changed now.
Change? We don't have change here. You go and come back. You are a customer now.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who put you there? Hey! Oh! Look quick, guy! Where is this man that is...
Mr. Man, what is wrong with you? Can't you see that this place is meant for the ladies, eh?
Are you mad? How did you change the signs?
You are stupid. I am telling that the place is coming from for the ladies. They are talking nonsense.
Look here, young lady. If you insulted me this morning, I'll deal with you.
You cannot do anything. Foolish man.
It is your papa that is foolish.
It is your mother is a idiot.
Yes. You... Oh, yes. What is wrong with you? Come, leave me.
You don't go do anything. You don't go do anything.
People, come on. What type of thing is this? Come leave my shirt.
What are you going to do?
Don't you want to sit again? More.
Papa?
Give me hammer and screwdriver. Can this one do it? Is this a hammer?
This one can do it.
What happened? Why do you have to give him such a hard knock on the head?
This boy is very stubborn. He's very stubborn. He's supposed to concentrate on what we're doing.
No, now he's still a small boy. He will learn with time.
Which time? You don't understand, mother. You don't understand. You don't understand. Come on.
Please leave him.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where is your Oga?
The Oga went out to test the car. What can we do for you?
But I need to see your Oga.
Oga, forget my Oga. I am the engineer here. The Oga knows the theory and I do the practical.
Okay. If you say so, come and check it. Come and do it.
Okay. Open your bonnet. Oga, what's the problem?
It has been checking.
The car is checking. Ah, Oga. It is the alternator. Oga, the alternator is not supplying power to the carburetor and the injector, so it's affecting the radiator, and the vibrator cannot work effectively. That is why the car is jerking.
What do you mean? What business does the radiator have to do with the alternator?
Oga, you will understand. By the time I finish with this car, you understand me well. Wait, let me put my teeth.
Better to... Can't start, oh.
Huh? Okay, come on.
Watchful of this.
Okay. Yes. I'm advanced at it.
Can't start, oh.
What's that?
No action.
Let me see the speedometer.
Okay.
Oga, no wonder. Oga, the car cannot move again.
What do you mean?
But the car cannot move again. The speedometer is finished.
Look, my friend, if you are joking with me, you better stop it. I'm not your mate.
Oga, this is not a matter of maths, this is matter of experience, Oga. This car is supposed to cover about 2.16 million kilometers, but it has made more than that, so you need to change the engine.
Look, I think you are stupid. You are very foolish. Look, let me tell you, if you don't put this car in order the way it was, I will skin you alive.
I told you not to touch anybody's car in this place. I told you before to behave yourself. The earlier debate, I told you to behave yourself, this boy. Now what happened to this car?
Papa, the car is spoiled. Everything is finished. The speedometer is nonsense. The carburetor is everything nonsense.
Did the man push the car into the workshop?
No, the man drove the car inside here. The speedometer finished here.
Hey.
The carburetor spoiled.
You see, that's why I told you to behave yourself. To behave yourself in this place. Eh? Now you spoil this car.
Fire on the mountain.
Fire?
Papa, also get me boo.
What is it?
You can make a statement, Papa. Papa, so get me.
Hey, stop!
Stop it! Rooms!
Hey,
Rooms!
You put the arm on that way, you got.
are you stopping?
I'll stop at Eckert Junction.
Where? August Junction?
No.
Where? Let me pay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go back. They go back. You are going?
I'll stop here. Aren't you stopping here?
I made a mistake. My bus stop is about 5 bus stops ahead.
But you told me you're stopping here now.
I made a mistake now. You are leaving at number
39 Eckert.
I will even be at number 40. No problem. I'll come the two of them. No problem. Bye.
I love you.
Love me and you.
I love you.
Now you serve you. Ndokwe, there's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
I want to marry another wife.
Another wife?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I've been contemplating on this thing.
My friend, you really tried.
Of course.
You have really tried staying alone all this while. It's not easy. At all. It's not easy at all for a man to stay alone without a wife for good
17 years. Huh? 17 years.
Hey. But have you seen anyone to marry?
That's my problem, you know. There are so many women out there, but there's no wife. Yes, I've been searching, and I'm still searching.
All right. Since I'm now in the know, I'll put my eyes down to assist you. You know me.
Hey!
Trust me.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
But what type of woman would you like to marry?
You know my taste now.
I know.
I want everything big, extra large, from the up wine down to the down hose.
Ibu.
She must be very fair. Yellow pawpaw with enough stretch marks.
Stretch marks?
Stretch marks treat me well. In fact, it gives me the kick.
Do you know what you are saying?
See, if she sleeps and snore, better. And best.
Snoring?
Yes. Snoring, if she has enough snoring, it scares witches away from the compound.
Hey.
Yes.
I don't know.
Everything I need, you don't know. What is in this house? Rat! You are the rat, eh? You are the rat! You are the rat, no! I will kill you today. I must kill you.
Ego, what is that? What is the matter? What is the thing here? What's the matter?
You're asking me what the matter is. Have I not wanted you to send this thing away from this house?
Come here. What did you do this time around?
Can you imagine? Did I just finish cooking and the next minute the whole meat in the soup pot disappeared?
Hey! More! What happened to the meat?
Okay, Ras took away the meat. Okay, you're asking as if you don't know the type of rice we tell in this house. Okay, I have explained to madam. This one I saw it with my own eyes. Okay, there were 4 rats. The last one was carrying a big basket. Okay, the first one entered into the soup pot and started bringing out the meat one after the other and passes it to the second one. The second one passes it to the third one. The third one passes it to the fourth one. And the fourth one puts it to the basket.
Shut up! Liar! Fake commentator! What a thief! Are they for us? I will kill you! Rats! Get out in this house! Get your cutter and Daniel Makati!
I don't know!
I will kill you!
No.
What do you mean? Who?
Shut up! The whole yard will hear this.
Hey! Hey! See, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's just, I'm looking for a wife.
So if you want to marry me, because you want to marry me, you first see my nakedness.
It's just that seeing is believing.
You have seen. Now you believe.
Oh, Mary, you don't understand. When a man is looking for his lost rib, he intends to look for it everywhere. Everywhere.
Yes. In the toilet. In the bedroom. You're looking for your lost senses animal. The whole thing to hear this. Idiot.
Oh my God.
Ooh. No, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Darling, wait.
Don't touch it, it's painful.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But how did you get your feet into a trap that has been set for a rat now?
Can't you see? This was set right inside my shoes.
What? In your shoes?
Yes.
God. But how did you get into your shoes?
Who else would have done this if not this wizard that lives with us?
Kneel down here. Who set this trap in the shoes?
It's me. Did you catch any rat?
Yamo, so you set a rat trap inside my shoes?
No, guys, because of those rats that has been stealing our meats. Okay, many times when I push them, they run into your shoes.
Mo,
Okay.
you're a fool.
Okay.
You're a wizard. You're a lizard. You're a bullfrog. In fact, Mo,
Okay.
you're a rat.
Hey.
Hey! Honey, please now. You better send this thing away from this house before he kills us.
No, Auntie. Okay, this thing cannot kill a human being.
Mo,
Okay.
the trap cannot kill a human being, abi?
Yes, okay.
Okay, Mo, bring your leg here.
Hey.
Mo!
Hey. Okay, please now.
Mo, put your...
Okay, please, Auntie.
Oh, yeah, Mo, put your leg here.
Okay, please now. Hey.
Put your leg here.
Hey.
Mo, one.
He can wound me, but he cannot kill me.
You can wound him. Okay, put your leg. I just want it to wound you. I don't want it to kill you. Put your leg there.
Okay, this is not meant for me.
Oh, I told you she's coming. Feli. I told you.
Again?
Reko, I told you. Ibu, she's the one I was telling you about. And this is Ibu. So let's go inside. Let me go and look for something for you to drink.
Don't you worry. I'm in a hurry. I'll come on Sunday to see you.
Feli, why now?
And my
Go
boss
and
sent
take
me
something.
to somewhere.
Huh?
My boss sent me to somewhere.
Ibu. Okay. But you make sure you come back on Sunday.
Yes.
As you promised.
I will.
I trust you.
Yes, I will.
Ibu, let us go and escort her. Hey, Ibu, I told you. Let us go and escort her. What are you doing here? Hey, I told you. Make sure you come back on Sunday. Don't stay long. Don't stay. Anyway, I trust you.
Ibu! I'm not interested again. You must marry her today. Come back, Ibu. Where are you running to? Ibu! Ibu!
Good afternoon, sir.
Madam. Please, when the father comes back, tell him that Mr. Azu came here. I brought back his son. Father, I thank him so much for the present. Sit down in your house.
I'll tell him when he comes back. Uncle, this father is not around. Let me follow you now.
Follow me to where?
To your house.
Mo, sit down in your house. Am I your father? Go sit down in your house. I'm not even your uncle if you don't know.
Did my father give you our key?
No, he didn't give me any key. Mbana. Where have you been all this while?
I traveled. Some disturbing me.
Okay. Wait here. Wait for your father. Huh? Sit here and wait for your father. No go.
Like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu and them Ibu. They are very funny, yo. Mr. Ibu and them pikin, yo. Like a papa, like a pikin, Mr. Ibu na waya, you go laugh and no be small. Get one man, in name na Mr. Ibu. Him get one pikin, in name na more. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah, be very wonderful. Everywhere them go, they must surely show themselves. Anything them do, their own, they different, yo. I don't wonder, so they I can't surrender. I never see this kind of people before. Everybody wonders, so then come surrender. Ibu and don't cause confusion. Mr. Ibu, Ibu na waya, Ibu, like it papa, like it pikin. Mr. Ibu na Ibu, they don't cause confusion. No kind work when Mr. Ibu no go do, but when kata bust, Mr. Ibu go run away. More him picking another special case. He very stubborn, him mouth sharp like razor. If you send him something, another thing he go do. I never see this kind picking before. Every day by day, now so them go the water. Father and son, they do like cocaine and wapusu. These two people, they're funny, you go laugh. Oh, Ibu, Mr. Ibu and him pikin, yo. Ibu, like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu. Ibu and them more. Ibu, them funny, no be small, Mr. Ibu.
You are an idiot. You're just a bastard. How did you get into the room? Huh?
Papa, it was Uncle Azu that brought me back.
How did you get into the room?
Papa, I entered through the window.
You see, you are a thief. You are a thief. Simple. Why did you come back from Azu's house?
Papa didn't want to come back. It was Uncle Azu that brought me back.
Why?
Because the woman was accusing me of stealing the meat in the house.
Which woman?
Uncle Azu's wife. Well, it's not me. It was one rat that is in that house.
That rat must be your size.
No. It's like this.
The same way you get into this room through window is the same way you would have gone to that pot and the meat disappeared. I hope you are not... In fact, because Azu cannot bring you home, I willingly donated you to him. I hope you're not climbing the woman's bed in her bedroom.
Papa, I'm not climbing the woman's bed. Papa, if I'm climbing the woman's bed, that means I'm your son. I resemble you.
Which means?
That means everything I do, you must have done it.
Have you ever seen me in somebody's bedroom?
No, Papa, what I'm saying is that everything I do, you must have done it now.
In fact, if it is the era of the slave trade, I would have sold you to slave traders. By now.
Papa, that would have been better now. At least by now, I would have become an American star, an American citizen. I would have become Michael Jackson, or Snoop Doggy Dogg, or become Shaggy. That one, his hair is like my own. That has Jericho hair. Shaggy. I would have become like them.
They would have used you in one science experiment, or use you to test one new drug.
Papa, that is better now. That's staying here with you.
Anaconda egg. You! Oh yeah, get out from my face.
Papa!
Oh.
Papa!
Okay. No problem. On Sunday, I will pick you up. When I reach there, I will just give to the church. I'll give you to the church as my own harvest. I'm the man.
You leave me here. You are denying me my destiny. By now, I would have become Michael Jackson. Please, I'm going shows. Tupac. Like this. Just get it one in mind, that I love you. I care for you. Do you know that? When I look straight into your eyes, I can see the flowers of your eyes. Baby, don't worry, everything you need, I will buy it for you. Don't mind this place you are staying in.
You buy me jewelries.
Hi, I will buy you jewelries, gold, diamond, everything you need, Diamond, silver, and gold, diamond. I will buy you thread. Baby, I will buy you thread. You know why I will shoe. Many are so dead. See this house, It's my own. If you belong to me, that's my house, boy. Come on.
More.
Today.
Is that why you don't want to open the door for me?
No, Papa, I was fast asleep.
Who was talking with you inside here?
Maybe it's me. You know, when I sleep, I talk. Like this afternoon, I dreamt where our street we are playing a match with the other street. I was the commentator.
One day you'll become a referee.
Thank you, Papa.
I've come to take something.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa. Do you know that a big snake came into this this house today?
Where?
Hey, a big snake. Hey.
Where is it? Have you killed it?
No, Papa. I tried, but it entered inside this butter.
Hey.
I tried, you know, I started to rest. Then later I look for it.
You allow snake inside here. Let's carry it outside. Let's carry it outside.
Okay, Papa. Let's carry it outside. Close it well. Close it well. Papa, close it well so that the snake will not run away. But this snake, will put it.
Be here. Okay. Don't allow it to escape.
Go and bring it now. Papa, do quick. Papa, do you see it?
Take a muhizi yo Ibu Mwenu ya wayo Mr. Ibu Una go kill somebody yeah. Ibu Stop causing confusion Mr. Ibu Hey, one day
Papa,
una go land inside trouble.
Papa, I want to play football.
Mr. Ibu
Football. Oh, this child.
Papa, it's like not a new one.
How does it concern you?
Papa, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
Now you go there to ask them to give you something to eat. Give me my trouser. Give me. What is it?
Papa, what do you want to do? You can't wear it like this now. Can't you see it? Wash and wear. You must wash it before you wear it. People will laugh at you. Wash and wear.
Mr. Ibu Ibu and him picking yo Ibu like a father, like his son Mr. Ibu Ibu and him Ibu they are very funny yo Mr. Ibu Ibu and him picking yo Ibu like a papa, like a picking Mr. Ibu Ibu na waya oh Ibu you go laugh no be small.
Yes, it's okay now.
That's what water is.
No, you can wear it. Papa?
There's a lot of water.
There's no problem. That's the style. Wash and wear. Italian pens. What's on there? Papa, where are you going?
Our town's meeting.
Papa, if anybody sees you today, you know that he was an old soldier.
Yes, thank you.
Old soldier will never die. Papa, you're a guy man.
Yes.
Hi.
I can change my movement.
Yes, guy man.
Push and go inside.
Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa, you're very sweet now. Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa.
There's garri and soup.
Okay.
You can boil water and, make yourself garri.
I'm hungry, no problem.
Then if you like, you finish it.
Okay, sir. Papa, you're not guy man.
How are you?
Fine. How's everybody? Thank you. I'm going to our town's meeting. Yes.
Ibu. Ogununka.
What is this?
Wash and wear.
What do you mean by wash and wear?
Sit here now.
Ibu, you are a foolish man. Who told you that wash and wear means you will wash your cloth and wear it immediately without letting it dry?
Papa, forget your time don't pass now. Our time is this. Yes, this is our own time.
Who told you that?
My son said I should wear it.
No. What it means that you should wash your cloth and wear it without ironing it. That will be the meaning of wash and wear. Who is that your son?
More.
More. Is that one a human being or a ghost? More. Please, don't turn back and go and dress. Can't you see how people are looking and laughing at you?
Can't be Amadi.
This boy damaged my movement now. Let me just go quickly.
Like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu. Ibu and them war. Ibu. They are very funny, yo. Mr. Ibu. Ibu and them pikin, yo. Ibu. Like a papa, like a pikin, Mr. Ibu. Ibu na waya, oh. Ibu. You go laugh, no be small. Get one man, in name na Mr. Ibu. Him get one pikin, in name na more. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah, be very truthful. Everywhere them go, they must surely show themselves. Anything them do, their own they different yo. I don't wonder, so I can't surrender. I never see this kind of people before. Everybody wonder, so then come surrender. Ibu and don't cause confusion. Mr. Ibu, Ibu na waya Ibu, like it papa, like it pikin. Mr. Ibu.